Give it a...
You gonna open it? Right here. Over here. See? What's that? Is that Winnie? Winnie the Pooh? Happy birthday. Here, look.
She'll think I did very good with all my French fries.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yay. Right here.
Is he watching?
Good job.
What's that? Oh. Is it called Hippos Go Berserk by Sandra Boynton? Whoops.
Here you are, Kimmy.
I can't. Oh. It's the same writer that does your doggies book, which you love so much, Toby. Oh. Hippos Go Berserk. Oh, could you help him open that? And he'll turn the pages?
See, one hippo? Yeah.
Oh,
One hippo. Two hippos. 5 hippos. No more hippos.